Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July 21st, 2024, Sunday, and tomorrow will be kind of like a Monday open week for Nasdaq and the other indexes. In this video, I'm going to specifically talking about Nasdaq, just because I want to show that a chart is getting into oversold condition, important pivot for Nasdaq. And lots of earnings for big techies are coming this week and next. So this week we will have Visa, we will have Tesla, we will have Google, we will have IBM, we will have Texas Instrument, and the other names, big techie names, are gonna just announce their earnings this week and next. So it's gonna be very, very important 2 weeks coming for Nasdaq, and also the overall market for Nasdaq and S&P posted the video, and that is very, very important just because I covered a lot of good materials. It's covering all setups for different charts, different sectors. Make sure watch that one because that was very, very important. All right. Before undue, let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is Nasdaq daily chart. And specifically in this video, I'm going to focusing on the short-term bounce, which is happening, I believe, for Nasdaq. As you see here, we just got a high, a low, surge to kind of like a new all-time high, but coming down with a kind of like a five-wave, a corrective move to the downside, which is a beginning of a first wave of this kind of like a correction. I believe that we're going to have another corrective rally to the upside before a next sell-off again to this level. So this is kind of like the important of technical analysis while we are seeing kind of like the scenario that Nasdaq is getting into oversold condition. We should expect a pivotal point for Nasdaq coming today, tomorrow, and also potentially on Wednesday as well, specifically on, I should say Tuesday, when we will have a Google earning, when we will have Tesla earning at the same day. So it's going to have like lots of, it's bringing lots of volatility to the indexes. I believe that right now we are at a daily oversold condition. If you just see a daily oversold condition, it's stochastic. We are just forming kind of like a bull reversal to the upside, which is going to be a corrective rally. Also, MACD is showing us a very fantastic divergence, hidden bullish divergence, which is kind of like a confirming with RSI as well at the same time. And also, we are kind of like a very, very close to this important SMA 50. Why this SMA 50 is important? Because it's coming to an important pivotal point, and also it's about to form a very good potential head and shoulder, which is bearish pattern at the top. So we just form a left shoulder, which we formed a head here, and right now we are above to have another right shoulder. So this can bring Nasdaq into a danger zone for beginning of August. I should say this corrective rally can bring Nasdaq to this wide range bar, to this breakout level, all the way above at 20,000 to 20,100 or 200. And then potentially the next important significant sell signal is coming down the road within the next 2 weeks, this week or next. So it depends how far, how stretch it's going to go higher. But I believe that Nasdaq is about to form another bearish pattern, which we are at the bounce for a corrective rally. If we go to 4 hours chart, which is kind of like a very, very important, I just want to show you lots of kind of like a good technical perspective for Nasdaq, why I'm bullish on this. Even on Friday, I just sent a signal, and today we just see that Joe Biden kind of like a withdraw from competing for the presidential election, and his VP Kamala Harris, she's gonna take the lead for the next rally to for the presidential election. That regardless of this macro news, don't worry about this political, because those ones are gonna fade away after 2-3 days. But here is the 4 hours chart. And in this 4 hours chart, you will see that. So here is very, very important, kind of like head and shoulder, fail to the upside. And as you know, that best moves comes from fail pattern. And we just reached new all-time high, right? So here is the first wave. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. And this 5 ended exactly within this important demand area. So this demand area is very important. Why? Because it creates rally to new all-time high. So whenever something like this happening, usually institution or money is there for another bounce or rally to the upside. At the same time, we'll see that this wave 5 is forming ending diagonal, which is another bullish pattern or finishing pattern, as you say, ending diagonal, bullish pattern to the upside. So this ending diagonal comes with this demand area and also finishing the five wave to the downside. Right now, I'm expecting there is going to be potential kind of like a buying opportunity in this area with a very tight stop here. So 19,400, which is exactly my stop here, 19,400. And we are kind of like looking for rally to the upside, potentially to 20,000 again. So if we get to 20,000 again, I believe that that's going to be very fantastic short signal coming for us to get back to the short position. And potentially this time, we are going to just break through this neckline to the downside. And we are going all the way down to 18,400 to 18,200 here, this area, which is going to be very, very significant drop for the Nasdaq since hit new all-time high, which is kind of like a 2,000 level to the downside. And that brings Nasdaq to 10% correction, 7 to 10% correction in this pattern if it doesn't go lower. So that's why I'm just looking for short term. We can see a bullish momentum for Nasdaq to the upside, forming ending diagonal reverse head and shoulder. But this reverse head and shoulder is going to last until just 20,000. Sell signal getting back to here. If it breaks through, I believe that 18,000 to 18,200 is coming down the road. Hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you like more, some kind of like this analysis, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. There are lots of more analysis coming every day, every weekend. Have a fantastic one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.